Merry Christmas, and I'm sure you're all looking forward to having a great break for the end of the year. I just want to share some information about how to manage broken braces or wire that is sharp for you during this holiday season, especially when the clinic is not going to be open for 2 weeks or so right after Christmas. Most common thing that can happen by eating pork crackling or any of this crunchy food during this holiday time is braces that do come off or break and move. So usually you find that these braces, when they break, it's more annoying than anything else, but sometimes it may also cause some pain. What are the different ways to get through this? The first thing is not to panic. The second thing is try and see if you can invest in sugarless chewing gum. Now, if you chew this up and make it very soft, you can take a tiny bit of that chewing gum and put it on the braces. You can see here the braces are moving, and you just pop it on that braces and mold it around that braces. That'll stop the braces from moving around, so you can enjoy some of the great yummy food that you still have left. The second option is, if you don't have chewing gum, get some cotton gauze, dip a tiny bit in water, then it becomes extremely soft, and squeeze off the water. And again, this is too big, but you can put some around it in the corners if need be, and it'll stay in that position and gives you a lot of comfort for your lip. And smaller it is, you can see here it wraps around and sits there pretty well and causes the discomfort to disappear. Some of you may also have some of this wax, the orthodontic wax. Now, Woolworths, Kohl's, AGA, all of them sell them in the dental section. It's pretty cheap. You can peel off a little bit of the wax, and the greatest advantage of the wax is, especially if you have braces, is be able to just take a tiny bit of that and just make it a little bit flat and make it a little bit easier. And take that wax and then wrap it around, just like the first option. You can see it right there. The first option of being able to use the chewing gum. These are the many techniques, but if you have a poking wire, the smart thing is to get the blunt end of the pencil and use that pencil edge to push on that wire. So I don't know if you could just see that, or what I just did, but I'll repeat that again for you so you can see it. One of the key things is to be able to identify. You can see a tiny bit of the sharp wire that's poking at the end. The blunt end of the pencil would be able to go under and just gently push it in and to make it flat so the sharp end disappears. These are the many ways you can do until we are open and ready to see you again to take care of any of these broken braces or sharp wires for you. Have a great time, eat well, have a great break, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.